Hi guys, let's learn Flash tool which is coming under the data tab, right? This option called Flash field, right? Okay, how it work? I would be giving you two examples. You can utilize in a maximum time, but you need to learn the basic how you can utilize the first Flash field, right? This is actually I'm having the phone number, but I wanted to take an example. I'm having thousands of phone number like this, but I wanted to write in a different format. Take an example. You can do one thing, and two you can fill the data over here. You want to copy or paste it, then do the modification you want. Like this, I want in this way. With the bracket, then in between I wanted to put the space. Then after that I wanted to put the hyphens, right? In this format, I want the rest of the phone number it would be. First I need to set a format and rest of the cells will follow, right? The basic is, the golden rule is, I need to create a format. Then the moment I click on Flash field, you can have a look. The way I formatted the above one, all these down data follow the first formatting, and it is so smart enough, it recognizes here you are not having the data, so it will not copy. If you wanted to change any specific format, you can do the formatting, and also from the down it will follow, right? This is happening with the number. Let me show you another example how come it will work with the text also. Okay, take an example, few names I am having over here. In between I have inserted a columns. Let us see this example. I wanted to write M first followed by the Maisie, right? So let me write this one. Right? Once I have written the pattern, I need to just, already you have seen how it works. I need to click here and click Flash fill. You can see, right, it is not working properly because see, M is a letter which is available at last also and first also. The moment you have given these options, it understands the concept like you should pick from the first letter. For that it has been configured, or it has been adding the data in that way. But do not worry, the moment you found a problem like this, you need to just go over here and just write down, instead of T, write down D. So it would be a different format for the data C3, right? You are having a different format. After you format it the way you want, delete this following data. For an example, I did it intentionally to show you how exactly you can do it. You delete this data and you need to go here. Now the moment you click on Flash fill, it will take the above information and try to give you the output or result on the above formatting. Let me show you. Okay, now it brought the R in front of this, K in front of this, H in front of this. In this way it done the changes. But just because nothing is there in front of or back of this, it has been written the same thing because it is taking the data from here the way it has been formatted. Remember, it always pick the data of the above cell the way it has been formatted and try to give you the fill in that way. For that it has been written this one double. So you need to delete one and enter. If you are having the data like this with the another with the single name, take an example this one. I'm not having R, I just press enter, right? So in this way you need to do the formatting so that other would be copied, right? That is called Flash fill. It is actually helping you to finish your job as soon as possible. But again, these are the data you need to see whether you are getting the correct answer or not. If you are having the same data with the same format, you will get 100% everything correct. The moment you are having the data change like this, here nothing is there, no word is there after space, so automatically it copied the same word and written twice, you will get a problem like this, right? So you need to see carefully and utilize it. The more you use, the more you learn. Thank you very much. See you in the next lecture.